Hi folks, and welcome back to the Watch Report powered by Watchbox. I'm your host Zach Rego, and today we're going to cover some recent news in the watch industry. Do you like to know what time it is but also like to feel like a machine is going to kill you at any second? Well, does Mb&f and Lepay 1839 have just the desk clock for you? The oddly named Grant is a desk clock shaped in the form of a tank/transformer with a clock for a shield. The collaboration between these two brands has produced some interesting designs in the past, including the Melchior, the Sherman, and the Starfleet machine, all of which are lighthearted takes on the usual boring desk clock. The Grant has 3 positions: upright, crouch, and laying down, and is limited to just 150 pieces. At a price tag of just 22,000 Swiss francs, the Grant is the perfect desk clock to make sure that your office looks like a really expensive toy store. IWC just recently opened their new production plant for movement parts, and cases in Schaffhausen, Switzerland. The new building, epically named Manufakturzentrum, is 8 kilometers from IWC headquarters, and is also oddly enough the name of the villain in the next Avengers movie. COO Andres Wahl had this to say regarding the use of the new building. Here under one roof, we will fully centralize our key processes and manufacturing steps, which in the past have been scattered across several locations. If you're ever in the area, make sure to take a tour of the building, and maybe you'll be lucky enough to see the room where the golden geese lay the flying tourbillons. I do apologize if I may have butchered the name of the building, but I'd like to see Brian Goldberg give the pronunciation a shot. In a surprise collaboration, Tag Heuer and streetwear brand Supreme have released a limited edition stopwatch. The counter chronometer is designed with a sealed ABS plastic case and has the memory for up to 99 sessions. Now, streetwear hypebeasts can time themselves as they try and run in their 20-pound Balenciaga sneakers. Bell & Ross has just recently released a new addition to its experimental collection with the BRX2 Micro-Rotor flying tourbillon skeleton. The BRX2 collection is extremely special since the cases and the movements are merged to form one single element. The mechanism of the watch is worn directly on the wrist, bringing it to the forefront of the timepiece while showcasing the expert design from Bell & Ross. The 42.5mm watch is limited to 50 pieces and features the in-house BR-Cal 381 movement. In related news, Apple has decided to make a comparable Apple Watch with no case that is just wires and microchips that you wrap around your wrist. Last Wednesday, Omega released a 10th anniversary Hodinkee Speedmaster limited to just 500 pieces. The watch, designed to resemble the original reference 2998, is 39.7mm with a blue-gray dial and red, yellow, and blue accents. The watch sold out in just 23 minutes, so if you didn't get one at the release, you should expect to pay a bit of a premium to get one. This release is actually extra special, since some of the proceeds from the watch will go directly to buying more tweed and cashmere clothes for the Hodinkee team. I'm Zach Rego, and this has been the Watch Report. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell for the latest updates in watch content. Also, this Thursday, make sure to check out the premiere of Season 2 of The Classroom. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.